Hello, hello guys! Welcome na naman sa another gala ni Bisoy. This time around, we will try the first ever Lumina Water Lanterns Festival dito sa Mexico, Pampanga. So we bought a ticket and we entered to VI. So dito, bibigyan nila kayo ng eco bag guys na naglalaman ng inyong mga lantern na pwede niyong sulatan ng inyong mga wishes na ipapa-float ninyo mamaya sa lakeshore area. So ito po, samahan nyo kami explore ang loob ng Lakeshore, Pampanga po guys. Ayan, so first time namin explore ang Lakeshore, Mexico, Pampanga. Ang ganda pala dito guys. So if you're looking for a nature theme park, so dito po kayo mag-visit. So marami naman po dito mga included at available inside. Mga food kiosks na pwede nyo kainan guys. Habang nagpipicture-picture kayo dito sa Blue Roses. I don't know kung ilan ang bilang nito mga Blue Roses na to guys. So while we are waiting, 7 o'clock PM na magpapailaw na kami ng aming mga lanterns. Ikot-ikot lang po tayo guys. Mga site na pwede kayong mag-picture. Instagrammable yung peg lang natin dito guys. So, we arrive at 4 PM and the event will going to start at 7 PM. Yung mismong pagpapa-float na ng ating mga lantern, pero may mga guest na mga live band naman to entertain those the visitor inside. And itong lighthouse na to, this is you can order some coffee, milk tea, and of course mga pang merienda guys. So ayan, may mga tumutugtog na banda. So basically, hindi naman kayo maiinip. Oh, by the way, itong Lumina Water Lantern Festival is sakto Mother's Day din siya, na para sa mga mommy to celebrate their Mother's Day celebration guys. Ayan, sabay po yan. Habang nakikinig sa mga banda na nagpe-perform guys, ayan, you can rent yung mga picnic mantres, no? Sa halagang 50 pesos and i-return nyo lang. Ayan, may mga pagkain, mga novelty items na pwede nyong bilhin. So, while you're waiting na mag-start yung event guys. So, tanghaling tapat, no? Medyo mainit po yung panahon. So, kaya usually mga nakasilong yung mga tao.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love so pure and free. You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars
So, habang nag-iikot-ikot, nakita namin na merong parang sa Burnham Park. Ayan, you can do boating sa presyo 250 up to 6 person yata. 4 to 6 person pwede nang sumakay for 30 minutes of boating. So, habang nag-aantay ng event, guys, pwede nyo yan subukan. So, ginaya nila yung sa Burnham Park where you can also ride a boat, mga 30 minutes. Kung 2-seater, ayan, may 150. Pero kung more than 2, 250 po siya. Kung marami kayo.
You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known.
So guys, habang nag-iikot-ikot kami, piniprepare na rin ang bawat stage sa tatlong grupo na according sa binayaran mong tickets. So by the way, may tatlong ticket tayo guys. Yung silver worth 599 yon. Tapos yung gold, 999. Tapos yung silver, kung saan yun ang binili in avail namin guys, 1299. So yan yung pwede lang yung kung saan kayo pwedeng pa-float ng inyong lantern mamaya. Siyempre, priority yung may platinum na ticket. So, ayan na guys, nagtakip silim na. So, yung iba, pinrepare na nila yung mga lantern. Oh, by the way, this Lumina Water Lantern Festival officially earned a Guinness World Records, guys, the title. After 11,000 water lanterns were lit at the Lakeshore Lake simultaneously. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda guys sa gabi. So, thousands of participants and guests flocked to Lakeshore in Mexico, Pampanga to witness the world record attempt, which became a symbol of unity, hope, and celebration for Pampanga. So according to organizer, the event was not just about the world record, but the collective experience of everyone who took part, from volunteers, partners, sponsor, and event team to the attendees who waited and joined in the special occasion, guys. The event was led by Vibe Events. So sila yung may pa-event dito. In partnership, of course, with Lakeshore Philippines. It is considered one of the largest community light events held in Pampanga, giving not only a new world record, but also an unforgettable night para sa mga Kapampangan. Kaya, kung Kapampangan kayo, so be proud of it. Cheers to all the fans, music, and unforgettable moments from Lumina 2026, guys. And I was so proud to be part of this event and one of my lantern na ilagay ko dito sa river, guys. All my wishes, all my prayers to all my loved ones. Ayan. So, unforgettable event. So, sulit po yung pagpunta dito kahit na ba napakainit at talaga namang nakakapagod, guys. But because we came from Manila, guys. Those are the lanterns na talagang mamaya ilalagay nila lahat yan sa river, guys. It's definitely a night full of magic, music, and panalo yung mga naka-witness ng event na to dito sa Mexico, Pampanga, guys. So, ayan na, guys. Kanya-kanya na pag-float ng mga lantern na may mga nakasulat ng inyong mga dasal, wishes, and manifestation in life, guys. Yan ang pinaka-highlights ng events na to. So, yan. Sa MBS mismo, yan. Buwis buhay na pinaagos ang kanyang lantern na merong sticker na MB8, guys. So, if you happen to enjoy this gala and videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow na rin, guys, for more gala in the future.